got Starscream and Clifford, Big Red Dog loaded up, packed up for the show, ready to head down to St. Catharines. I'm actually about 10 minutes early. That never happens. Let's get on the road. It's the current situation. Done a circle check, made sure all the tires are still nice and secure. This is my first actual trip with them. Fuel economy, seen 9.1 liters per 100 kilometers, which is astronomical. For fuel economy, doing 108 kilometers an hour. That seems to be where this car is the happiest towing on the major highways, which is definitely right there. First pit stop, meet up, and then we will do a bit of a cruise down together.
This land was made for you and me.
Year at the car show. Crew comes out as always. We got the full setup. Actually ended up using the barbecue to hold the tent down. Didn't bring a propane tank. I didn't think GM would be too appreciative of that. So I left that at home, but the bench came in handy. Handed out some ACS brochures. Trailer was amazing. I actually grabbed a nap at one point during the day. Just a good day overall. Everybody's been rolling out for about the last hour. We're just kind of hanging out till the end. I want to get a picture with the GM St. Catharines sign, as we do every year. That is the show. Finally got our spot back. Hey Rob.
Hey.
Everybody's gone, everything's cleaned up. Been watching the ships go through the canal all day. Oh God, we're not showing him. Gotta hide Mike from everybody. He's our secret. What a day.